First round yan.
Kaya kamahog lang malakas sa harap ng problema, di kami natitinag. Laging handa, laging matupang, ito ang kwento namin. Pakinggan mo na po. Ikaw na kamahog, walang sinasanto.
Boss ng ano, ikalama ko kay Kuya ang Tati Ruby, Rivera.
Laban tumitang nasa harapan ng ako, hawak ang batas, hustisya ang bibit. Walang atrasan kahit gano'ng kahibit. Sa kalsada ng buhay kami ang lumalaban, tinatatawa kahit kanino'y handang harapin. Kami ang legal na kamao, sa bawat laban totoo, malakas, bawat akbang, di kami magpapatalo. Legal na kamao, walang katapat, lakas sa loob, di mo maitinag.
Parts of the action, Jojo Yanela. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black and yellow, weighing 180 pounds, with a professional records of 4 wins, 2 installing by way of knockout with 3 losses. From King of Pound, Peter Center, Batangas City, ladies and gentlemen, Joshua Manago. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out the red corner, wearing red with silver trim, weighing 120 pounds, with a professional records of 4 wins, 2 wins coming by way of knockout, 1 loss, 1 draw. From Cuatro Alas Promotions of Montalban Rizal, ladies and gentlemen, Mark Sabang.
Iwanan, legal na kamao, hanggang dulo, walang talo. Legal na kamao lang malakas, kami matitinag sa laban lagi panalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Jojo Yanela reaches the count of 10. We have a winner by knockout, Mark Sabang.
Legal na kamao, legal na kamao, legal na kamao.